Neon Bank is built for people who want full control of their money without hidden costs or complicated processes. From the moment a new user signs up, the experience is fast, digital, and transparent. Account creation takes only a few minutes, with no paperwork and no physical branch visits. Everything happens directly on your phone, making it ideal for users who value speed and convenience. One of Neon Bank's strongest features is zero monthly maintenance fees. New users can open and run an account without paying recurring charges, which immediately saves money over time. Domestic transfers and card payments are processed quickly, with most transactions reflecting instantly. This means better cash flow control and fewer delays when sending or receiving funds. Neon Bank offers a free virtual debit card upon registration. This card works for online shopping, subscriptions, and international payments in dollars, giving new users immediate access to global transactions. A physical card is also available and delivered directly to your address, allowing both online and in-store spending without limitations. Security is another major advantage. Neon Bank uses advanced encryption, biometric login options, and real-time transaction alerts. Every payment or transfer sends instant notifications, helping users monitor spending and detect unusual activity immediately. Card controls inside the app allow users to freeze or unfreeze their card anytime without contacting support. Budgeting tools are integrated directly into the app. Spending categories, monthly insights, and smart notifications help new users understand where their money goes. This makes it easier to plan expenses, avoid overspending, and build better financial habits from day one. Customer support is available directly in-app, with fast response times and clear communication. New users get access to a clean interface, transparent pricing, and practical features designed for everyday use. Neon Bank focuses on simplicity, security, and real value, making it a strong choice for anyone starting with digital banking in dollars.